Hello, my name is Omar Vallejo, and for my final GUI project, I made a car shopping tool called Click a Car. The basics. The main problem when searching for a car in the online stores, car enthusiasts struggle to find exactly what specifications we want in a future car. Most times, we look for car makes, year, and models, but leave out the specifications such as transmission type, fuel intake type, and even sport packages. My software will allow shoppers to select different specifications they look for in a car prior to purchasing. This software can be used by anyone online shopping for a car. It is simple and user friendly. Scope for my project is for users who will select specifications in a car they like, in which specifications that I will demonstrate once I pull up my project. The program will display a list of cars matching these selections. Okay, here's my welcome page. Welcome to Click a Car, and it's a simple navigation. It just involves a couple buttons. Let's say I want to search the entire list of cars that I have. I will, I'll click on that button down there, and it will pull up my entire database of car selections. I did use a Excel database to get all this data, and will display all this data at the end of it. So you have all kinds of we have 5,077 cars in this database to select from ranging from all kinds of makes and models and years. So we'll click here, return. Keeps pulling away from it. And then we'll go to find your dream car. We start out with picking out the classification. We can either pick automatic, transmission, or manual. Let's go with a manual. Let's say I want an all-wheel drive. I will pick that. If users were to want to pick the rear wheel drive, they could pick those, same as front wheel drive. I want to go with all-wheel drive. Now, in the car, let's say me for example, I would want the regular gasoline-powered car. Simply because that's the most common. But you can go with compressed natural gas, diesel fuel, and E85 from different. So let's say I want gasoline. Sport type. Here you can pick out the different sport packages, and this is mainly using the horsepower range in my database, and it's selecting. I made classifications between certain numbers to pick out from the different sport packages. Let's say I don't want a sport, just regular old car, sport, and super sport. Let's go with super sport. And now here's the last selection that you can pick out. It will ask you if you want to drive a hybrid. You can either pick gas only or hybrid. Let's go with gas only. And this list will display all your current matches for the specifications you submitted. Now, Subaru's actually one of my top favorite cars. So let's just pick out a Subaru Forester 2.5X from 2011. I'll click on it, click order car. It'll pick out, it'll tell you what you selected, type of car. Hit the button, submit button, and you got your order. Your order has been submitted. And then you can click on the button, it'll start the project again. Now let me show you the couple quirks that I made as well. I made a drop down menu option, which will allow you to either start over, and that will just restart the program, or exit the program. I'm not going to exit right now, just for sakes of finishing this presentation. Now let's say I want to find my dream car. I'm in the middle of picking out some stuff and I want to start over. I'll just click start over and it'll restart the program. Simple as that. Let's go back to the presentation. Now in conclusion, as normal people in society, we need vehicles to get around town. By providing this application at hand, it will help alleviate stress and reduce time when purchasing their dream cars online. And that is it for my presentation. Thank you.